Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to discuss and apply MainStreet from Basic Coatings. So MainStreet is a commercial grade finish from Basic Coatings. It's a single component, so no catalyst. It's about 31% solids and 165 VOCs, so very low odor, safe. Traditional application for this is going to be with a roller, but it can be T-barred, and it can also be applied with an applicator. And today we're putting satin down. It's available in 3 sheens, matte, satin, and semi-gloss. Comes in 2 gallons per case. So, all right, MainStreet satin, here we go. Just gonna get the applicator saturated, or the roller cover. Boy, I tell you, this product really flowed nice, real smooth. Rolling it, for me, was good. I usually like the pull finish with the T-bar, but rolling it with that 3/8 snap roller was a nice application. If you need any more information on this, you want to talk to someone, give us a call at 1-800-737-1786 or go to cityfloorsupply.com. Click on Finishes, Basic Coatings. MainStreet will be on there. All the tech data sheets and everything that you need will be on the website.